Want to go viral with that stunning earth zoom effect you've seen all over Instagram Reels? Here's how you can create it in just minutes. No editing skills needed. First, open Google and search for Higgsfield.ai. Once you're on the site, click Try Free at the top right to sign in. After signing in, scroll through the visual effects section and look for the earth zoom out effect. That's the magic tool everyone's using. Choose the photo you want to apply the effect to. It can be a selfie, a landscape, anything you like. Then hit Generate and let the AI do the work. Now, to use it completely free, just connect to a VPN and switch your location to the US. This unlocks access without payment, so you can download and use the effect without any issues. Once done, post it on your Reels with a trending sound and watch your content shoot for the stars.